Hey everyone, quick video here about gamification and engagement within the AbsorbLMS. Just to preface this, here's a quick story about our client White Castle. White Castle needed to modernize training for a large hourly workforce with high turnover and limited training time. What Absorb Engage does here is it allows learners to get rewarded for their participation in the LMS, collaborate within the LMS, and also stay engaged with the goings-on in the LMS. When White Castle did this, they saw a significant increase in course completion rates and learner engagement after implementing the Engage features. So let's jump in to see exactly what Engage is. Firstly, Engage is a package that contains these billboard advertisements here. So these advertisements can actually contain links and registration deep links, so a learner could simply actually have these appear to them. They could click and begin registering courses. They're easy to change out. They can be videos or images, and it kind of keeps learners informed about, what's going on, what is the newest courses, and they just look great in the LMS as well. Next, we have the collaborations activity. So learners can actually come in here and have forums and discussions. They can upvote, comment, and post posts or questions to kind of connect with learners about what's going on within the LMS. Thirdly, we have these leaderboards here. So everything I've mentioned now, so course completion, comments, can all have points attributed to them. These points can be sorted out into a leaderboard. This one's simply the top score. And so the way I usually like to set these up is, top score of the month, top score of the week, top score of the season, most comments. And these create leaderboards. And for example, we can see the top learner here. I could view their social profile. And here I can see any badges they may have obtained. We can also share these badges out via Credly. So earning these badges just makes sense. It's like a video game. Learners want to get that special token. And on the social profile, I can view what my peers have done, any courses or certificates they've obtained, and maybe that's what inspires me to finish similar courses. So I can climb up in the leaderboards or simply beat my rival. We also have these polls and surveys. So this is a really fun way to get that quick and easy feedback about the LMS, or something fun like what is the best cookie flavor. And so this is saving you time here to get that quick feedback rather than making a more robust survey or course feedback. And let's honestly not forget the social element within the LMS. So we do have algorithms that feed kind of recommended courses like you'd see on YouTube, but we also have elements that increase that social activity. All right, so here I am actually within a course, and you can see within this course, I can leave reviews. So I can leave a star rating, I can leave comments, I can also upvote or follow threads so that I can kind of stay in tune with the discussion. It's very similar to what someone would see on YouTube or Amazon Prime, and it's a great way for learners to also give you feedback about your content and participate in the content that they're consuming. You can also see within here there's recommendations. So as users complete courses, it will also feature courses that they can take that are related to the same content or recommended based on the internal system algorithms. And that's great because it's very familiar to users. It keeps them learning, it keeps them engaged. So all in all, Absorb Engage is a package that allows users to stay informed, collaborate, and participate with a little healthy competition. Hopefully that gives you a good picture of what this add-on does, and Ryan and I are happy to kind of add more context there. But do let us know if you have any further questions. Thanks so much.